Good morning, students. Today in SST we will discuss about chapter 4, that is studying the earth. We will study about the map work, because in this chapter we will be dealing about all the different types of map. You know that in our daily life, to find the location of a place or some country or state, anything, if you want to find out, we will have to take the help of a map. Even if a simple road we have to take over, then to turn from which direction, all this map help us. There are many types of map. Many voyagers were not successful in their voyage to complete their journey because they did not have a definite or accurate map. To show the symbols in the map, different colors are used. For mountains, brown color is used. For water bodies, blue color is used. For plain, green color is used. Plateaus, yellow is used. So different types of maps are used, colors are used for physical features, for political. So there are many types of maps also. So in this chapter we will be discussing about the maps. Okay, so let's get started. Now students, chapter 4, that is studying the earth. So here gets going. Now here there is a tick the correct answers are given here, 2, 3. So let's know if you understand or not. What will you use to find the location of a place? Suppose you want to find a location of a place. If you want to find some place, so what will you use? Map, ruler, or the sun? So the correct answer is map. Then what do political map shows? If you want to, if you see political map, what does it show? Mountains, countries, or forest? So the answer is countries, because mountains and forests are shown in the physical map, not political map. Then how are rivers shown on a map? If you want to see a river, in brown color, in green color, or in blue color, so it will be in blue color. In this also there are many shades: light blue, dark blue, deep blue. So there are different types of water bodies and different types of water shade, blue color. Now students, humans have always been curious to find new places and people. All the human beings, they were very curious to find new places. So they traveled far across the seas and oceans to discover new lands. So in earlier times also, many voyagers, they used to cross the seas and oceans to discover new lands. Many voyagers never returned. They did not come back to their home, as they did not have accurate route map, because correct route map they did not have it. Later on, more defined route maps were designed. Later, more advanced maps were designed, and it made travel and exploration simpler for everyone. So now it was simple for the voyagers to go to their new destination. Now what is maps? So maps are used in our daily life too, but we never recognize their importance. We use it in our daily life, but we don't recognize its importance. When you are going on a trip to a distant place, suppose we are going to a very far off place, your parents look up maps for directions. So what we are provided maps to look for the directions. Maps provide various kinds of informations. What information we get from maps? Direction, route, relative distance, how much distance is from this city to this city. So all this we get it from that, provide this kind of information in the map. Now people who make maps are called cartographers. This you have to understand it, that those who make maps, those who are making map, they are called cartographers. One of the first famous cartographer was Gerardus Mercator. See, this is the photo of Gerardus Mercator. He was the first famous cartographer who made maps. He was from Germany. And a book of maps, you all know, it is called an atlas. When we have a book which is full of maps, so it is called an atlas. And Gerardus Mercator from Germany, was the first cartographer. Cartographer means the people who make maps. So students, today we have discussed about studying the earth, about maps, the importance of maps. Now afterwards we'll go through types of maps. Then tomorrow on Tuesday, as you know that you will be having your reading test. So I will call video call to you. You should be attentive near the mobile, and I'll call you and I will ask you to read 2-3 lines of the pages, whatever page I will tell you, you read it and then I'll give you marks on it. Okay, so be prepared for Tuesday. You will be getting the video call, you will pick the call and I'll tell you to read some lines from SST book. Okay, thank you.